There's Tommy Thompson Park again as we look down from the CN Tower. Sometimes you just think to yourself, look at the size of the city that we live in. It's enormous. And the weather forecast could not be any better for our enormous city going forward. Jesse.
That's right. Alan, we are going to be continuing to be spoiled with this sunshine across the GTA and warmer temperatures. Very unusually warm for the beginning of October, especially come this weekend. Let's jump to the tropics. So we have two hurricanes spinning in parts of the Atlantic, and they continue to show signs of strengthening as they shift a little bit further away from the east coast of the United States. We're talking about Hurricane Humberto. That's kind of out to sea, continues to track just west of Bermuda, but that's what's pulling Hurricane Imelda further to the east as well. This is expected to strengthen upwards of a Category 2 hurricane by tomorrow. Sometime tomorrow, we're expecting landfall close to Bermuda, which is why we have hurricane warnings in place there across the island. And then as it tracks over the northern Atlantic waters, a little bit more of the weakening and that tropical disturbance characteristics will weaken as it tracks over those cooler than normal temperatures. But along the east coast of the United States, from the south all the way up towards the northeast, we're looking at very dangerous marine conditions, also high risk for rip currents. So just be aware of that. Any travelers, you want to avoid any of those beaches down south throughout the rest of the week. In terms of temperatures right now, we're comfortable, still sitting quite mildly in the low 20s across the Great Lakes, but we are going to be cooling things down through the overnight. We have clear skies, winds out of the north and east. That's what's keeping us a little bit cooler across the Great Lakes. 9 or 8 degrees, give or take, in the city of Toronto, rest of the GTA. On the outskirts of the GTA, we also have some frost advisories in place, mainly out towards cottage country. Now, these winds that I was referring to, they do strengthen a little bit more later tonight, and then through tomorrow afternoon could still see gusts lingering close to about 30, maybe 40 kilometers per hour. And that's exactly why we could be a couple of degrees cooler down towards Burlington and Hamilton. Other than that, it's a seasonal start to the month of October. Now, that's tomorrow. Temperatures really start to warm up by the end of the week. We have plenty of sunshine thanks to high pressure. 18, 17 degrees, give or take, on Thursday as well because of that cool east wind. But we get into a south wind by Friday, and yes, temperatures soar by that point. 24 degrees, loads of sunshine, highs in the upper 20s, potentially both Saturday and Sunday. So it's going to be a great weekend. And that above seasonal trend continues into Monday of next week as well. It looks like we're staying dry up until probably Tuesday now, and that will be the risk of some scattered showers for us across the Great Lakes.